Now we'll cross over to business, whereby private sector business conditions deteriorated last month, hurt by decrease in customer demand in response to rising consumer prices and living cost, as well as supply shortfalls for some goods. For the first time in 3 months, the headline Stanbic Bank Kenya Purchases Managers Index dropped below the 50.0 no change mark in April, falling to a reading of 49.5 from 50.5 in March.
Bank Kenya Purchases Managers Index indicates that this month a solid fall in output was registered as firms experienced supply shortfalls for a number of items due to the war in Ukraine and a near record rise in output prices. Input costs rose to the greatest extent in over 8 years. Subsequently, retail prices were raised at the quickest rate in the survey's history, while business confidence dropped to a fresh record low. Clients reduced their spending due to the marked increases in selling prices, fuel costs, and other living expenses. For the first time in 3 months, the headline Stanbic Bank Kenya Purchases Managers Index dropped below the 50.0 no change mark in April, falling to a reading of 49.5 from 50.5 in March. Readings above 50.0 signal an improvement in business conditions on the previous month, while readings below 50.0 show a deterioration. The survey indicates that the decline in operating conditions was underlined by a renewed fall in new order volumes in April. The decrease was related to clients reducing their spending due to marked increase in selling prices, fuel cost, and other living expenses. With sales falling, Kenyan businesses reduced their activity for the third time in the past 4 months in April. The reduction was solid and faster than in March, with declines seen in the construction, agriculture, and services sectors. Business confidence regarding future activity dropped to a record low for the second successive month in April on concerns over rapid price inflation and reduced client spend that meant that only 9% of businesses gave a positive outlook. Reporting for Lunchtime News, I am Teresa Mutai.